What's poppin', fangoons? Welcome back to my channel for another video, and if you're new here, hit that sub button. Now I know I mainly only unbox Sniper Gang stuff here, but I slowly want to bring in other clothing brands. The brand that I have for you guys here today is called Teddy Fresh. Now they're a newer brand and they did a collab with SpongeBob and they had a limited release. Boy Bearded Gamer, which you're going to see here in a second, also has a dope YouTube channel for gaming. You guys should go check that out. But he comped a shirt from the Teddy Fresh and SpongeBob collab, and he gave it to me to do an unboxing. And honestly, I didn't have time to do it, so he did the unboxing for me. He edited the video and he sent it over. I hope too much crazy stuff wasn't said. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's roll this intro and get right into this unboxing.
On my side is getting wicked, nigga slide. Mama told that boy to shake the city, so he ride. On that Mac, it be a titty, show no pity when we dive. Roll your brother in the gang before he hitting, why you hiding? OG now be dropping bags, no I don't, it's why you lying.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. We here with an unboxing of probably the coolest thing we've ever seen on this. We're doing things a little different right now. We got Blue Basement, and he went to Africa to ride some elephants or some shit like that. But he'll be back soon. Without any further ado, let's just get right to it. I'll let you guys see it first. Oh, yeah. Oh, this shit bussin'. Alrighty, here it is, everybody. Nice, unboxed, fresh t-shirt. It came with these two little tags right here. They're just tags. It would have been cool if there were stickers at least. Here we go. We got the teal blue, the purple, and the yellow. I like it. It kind of gives like a Squidward, Patrick, and SpongeBob vibe. Here we go. That's the main stitching they got right there. I don't know. It looks good, but it looks like through the corner they could have went a little bit closer to the corner with the stitching. But other than that, everything looks fine. Everything looks good. It's a nice, pretty shirt. Here's the back of it. There we go. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna go put this on and show you how it looks like on body. And we're back. This is how it looks on. You feel me? It's a little bit bigger than what I expected, but hey, what you gonna say? You know what I'm saying? You feel me? I really just got this just because of the color. I feel like the blue and purple, you can't even see the purple. You guys gotta remember, this ain't no middle of the mall shit, you feel me? You can't just go out and buy this at Dick's Sporting Goods or Zoomies. You can even buy this at all in general. Take a good other look at it. Pretty lit shirt, I'm not gonna lie. Well, that's it for today. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Tell me what you think about the shirt. Tell me if you're gonna buy anything from Teddy Fresh. Let me know how your day is going. Call me what you want, but baby, just don't call the cops. You feel me? Keep it at 8 more than 92. Peace.